Good day, teacher and classmate. And now, I would like to introduce our project background proposal. Milk teas and ice cream are indeed trending in today's era. Majority of the first generation crave for this kind of thirst quenchers. As Mr. DJ entered the world of business after several experiences, he decided to start his very own business, the Mr. This is Coffee Tea. In regards to the purpose of business, the initiator decided to establish a tea coffee shop that serves savory and delectable delicacies like milk teas and ice cream. These beverages were personally chosen by the committee due to its consistency in pleasing the crowd like students and its high demand among customers. We make sure to consider customer references as well as financial capabilities to ensure the greatest possible satisfaction we can give and the loyalty within our potential customers. But most important, the reason why Mr. This is Coffee Tea is proposed is to help homeless kids. As stated in our mission, we are serving with a touch of love. The business will make sure to use its future income to benefit people who needed it the most, the abandoned child of the street.
Now, let's talk about the name and the logo of our business proposal. So, Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea. The first question comes in our mind is, where is the name came from? Saan nga ba nanggaling yung pangalang Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea? Paano ba ito nagawa? Paano ba ito nabuo? So, let's focus on the name first. Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea is derived from the initial of the given name of the owner, which is Mr. DJ. So, we makes it Mr. D. Second, the scoop. The scoop is included for it represent one of our main ingredients in our milk tea. So, it is the ice cream. And the cafe tea. Cafe tea simply penetrate which industry our shop belongs. So, we have come up by the combining the term cafe and tea, meaning a cafe that offers tea. So, therefore, the proponent have come up with Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea to be able to give the plant business its own element of individuality. So, the next one is the logo. The logo represents the entire identity of the proposed business. Since millennial generation are what the business mainly target, we have decided to include colors such as brown and gold that the most of the millennial are attracted to. The establishment as well will have its business ambience or the combination of the said colors for the satisfaction of customers. Additionally, aesthetic theme, which include pink, symbolizes the sweetness that we can offer in the future. Furthermore, the coffee cup we included is not an ordinary type, but a cup with a specific sign on the top to reflect the certain type of the industry that our shop is, and to assure that our target market can found not only flavor of some milk teas, but with its own aroma and its finest.
Project information. Name of the project, Mr. D's Scoop Coffee Tea. Address, Maharlika Highway, Vinacis, Santiago City, Isabela. Email, mrdcoffeetea@gmail.com. Website, www.lovingmrdscoopcoffeetea.com. Telephone number, 133568. Goal, Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea commit to express the tantalizing taste and aroma of the milk tea with a classical ambience that suit to relieve the customer stress. We aim to serve and give customer an outside-the-box mixture of the milk tea and related product that will meet the market expectation. Ang goal ng business ay para makapagbigay ng magandang serbisyo sa customer. Vision, Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea envision satisfying customer craving in a long run, wherein the future branches made through connected gears of concept are still operating and offering its authentic product and service to the market. A sweet taste of success is the business continuously giving delightful delicacies with excellent varieties. Sa pamamagitan ng magandang serbisyo, mabibigay natin ang satisfaction ng ating customer. Mission: Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea aspire to reach the customer taste standard by serving a variety of milk. Partner with the ice cream at reasonable price, serving with a touch of love. One serving is equivalent on helping the abandoned children on the street. Ang mission ng aming kumpanya ay pagbibigay ng tulong at pagmamahal sa mga batang inabandona.
Locations. The vintage trendy cafe tea shop with 200 square meter measurement will be located at Maharlika Highway, Villasis, Santiago City. To pinpoint, convenience is essential to us. Therefore, we need to be close to our target market. As a new in this industry, the vividness of the business is important. We are not trying to get people to travel just to reach us. That's why we decided to choose this location. Moreover, Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea Shop made sure to be accessible to its customer in order to attain to success the business is aiming. Scoop and elimination. This project focuses on the establishment of Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea, in which the goal is to serve the comparable varieties of milk teas and ice creams, and to provide the best service during operation to those who belong in this institution of Northeastern College, which is the enseignes, namely the faculties, staff, and the most especially the student.
Structure. Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea maximizes its scope and authority where a procedure of potential chain and command followed. The management led to establishing the firm due to be centralized. Here the chain. First, the manager, followed by accounting personnel and the various staff. The manager, the one who responsible for the planning and directing and overseeing the operation of the business. Accounting personnel, the one who in charge and the responsibilities for the monetary aspect. Barista or the tea seller, the one who makes and serves coffee and tea drinks to customers.
Socio-economic aspect. The social economic responsibilities as well as the economic benefits of the business Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea once it started to operate. It includes the contribution concerning the economy, government, customers, employees, and social community. Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea aims to positively contribute in the welfare of the society as a whole by operating the business with a heart, inclined with its good. The soon-to-be established tea house will not only focus on generating profit from the customers, but will also help the homeless kids. These methods of giving and taking is what Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea perceived to be a genuine and a big contribution to the social community.
Contribution to the Philippine economy. A business without employees can operate effectively. That's why Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea aims on hiring eligible applicants around the city that soon will become part of entity. By providing employment, Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea can reduce the country's unemployment. Contribution to the government. The government will be benefited by means of taxation. Taxation is the imposition of taxes, and taxes are the most important source of governmental revenue. Taxes are compulsory and imposed on individuals or entities. And Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea, an organization for profit purposes, will be soon mandated to pay income and business taxes to the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR that will be remitted to the government. As a conclusion herein, Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea will play a significant part on the government through paying this liquid monetary contribution that will be used to finance and raise the revenue of the government, and then will be used for the improvement of public service and government projects. In simple terms, Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea will be contributing through the lifeblood of the government.
Contribution to the customers.
Conforms to the venture goal, Mr. D Scoop Cafe Tea is committed to serve an outside-the-box mixtures of milk teas and related products at reasonable prices. With that, the business contributed by means of satisfying and fulfilling the needs or wants of the target market. Simply, Mr. D Scoop Cafe Tea primary goal is to build a long-term relationship with customers through satisfaction and serving them the best yet affordable product. Contribution to the employees. After the recruitment process of the business, some unemployed individual will be given an opportunity to be employed and become a part of Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea. These future employees, in exchange with their work, is entitled to receive salaries or wages. These compensations are monies that can be equivalent to buy daily needs of the employees or its own family. In simple words, Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea can become an instrument that can help not only a single individual but also a family. Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea provides jobs and opportunities for every individual and helps them to develop their skills. We impose equality so that became a part of our business, Mr. D's Scoop Cafe Tea.